The Romance of the Rose by Geoffrey Chaucer. Author traditionally Geoffrey Chaucer. Only fragment A is centrally his. Fragment C is possibly his. Fragment B is generally not considered his. Original source Lee Roman de la Roche, French allegorical poem. Original language Old French. Translated into Middle English. Genre allegorical dream vision courtly love poem. Translation date of translation probably in the 1360s. Words from octosyllabic iambic tetrameter couplets. Status incomplete translation about one third of the French original. Background. The Romance of the Rose is a Middle English translation of the famous French poem Le Roman de la Roche. It is one of Chaucer's earliest literary works and helped him develop the poetry style that later appeared in the Canterbury Tales and Turles and Cressida. The poem belongs to the medieval tradition of dream visions where the narrator falls asleep and experiences symbolic events in a dream. Chaucer's translation. Chaucer translated only about one third of the original French poem. Modern scholars believe fragment A definitely Chaucer, fragment B probably not Chaucer, fragment C possibly Chaucer. Thus, Chaucer's authorship remains partly controversial. Meaning of the rose. The rose symbolizes ideal love, beauty, desire, the beloved woman, romantic fulfillment. The entire poem revolves around the lover's attempt to obtain the rose. Summary. Beginning, the narrator falls asleep and dreams he enters a beautiful garden surrounded by high walls. Inside the garden, everything is bright, peaceful, and beautiful. The garden represents the word of love. Meeting the god of love, the narrator sees a lovely rose. He immediately falls in love with it. Cupid, the god of love, shoots arrow in his heart. The lover becomes completely devoted to the rose. Obstacles. Several allegorical figures either help or hinder him. The lover faces many emotional struggles before reaching the rose. Fragment A. This section mainly celebrates courtly love, beauty, desire, romantic devotion. The lover begins his quest for the rose. Fragment B. The tone changes completely. This section becomes highly satirical. It criticizes marriage, society, religious hypocrisy, human greed, courtly custom. The lover finally kisses the rose. Immediately afterwards, jealousy builds a strong fortress around it. The lover is separated again. Fragment C. Thousands of lines later, the story continues. The god of love prepares an attack against jealousy's castle. A character called false semblant appears. He explains how people receive others. His speech especially criticizes false priests, religious corruption, hypocrisy, dishonesty. He disguises himself as a pilgrim and he convinces evil tongue to repent. The poem ends before the complete conquest of the rose.